Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're doing this beautiful house in a beautiful neighborhood. What's special about this house? Because we're gonna put GAF Ultra HDZ shingles and we're gonna use super cool breathable underlayment by GAF, which is deck armor. Let me show you close up. Why is it better? What's the difference and what's the benefits for the homeowner? Let's go. Okay, one of the best shingle on the market, one of the best manufacturer in the market, GAF. They're top of the line shingle Ultra HDZ. So that's what we're gonna use in this beautiful house. Few major benefits for the homeowner. Number one benefit, it's a double shadow line. So the curb appeal and the look for that shingle is unmatchable. If you're gonna drive by or walk by, you're gonna turn your head to see what's going on with that house and why is it looking that fancy, that beautiful, or that unusual, because you won't see those roofs too often in our neighborhood because it's a new thing on the market. Another thing, they're 20% heavier than your average shingle, so that means more material, more components, more protection for your house, right? And the best benefit that you can get, algae and moss growth protection. So if there is any shade, any area of your roof not getting too much sunlight, active components in the shingles, they're gonna prevent moss growth or algae growth for the longest period possible. I think that's the number one shingle on the market as of today with the most advanced technology. That's why I love those shingles. I have Ultra HDZ on my house as well. The shingle that's half of the bottle. Another half of the bottle is this guy, GAF deck armor. Deck armor underlayment. In my opinion, this is the best underlayment on the market as of today, because that's again the most innovative, the most advanced piece of technology for the asphalt shingles underlayment. Why? First of all, it's breathable. If your roof or your attic has minor or major imperfection in ventilation, moisture accumulation, heat traps, this underlayment will help drastically to evaporate all that stuff and let your roof last longer, right? Right. Another biggest component, it's super durable and super safe for the guys. As you can see, that roof is not very walkable and a little bit of steep. So we're gonna use our harnesses and ropes to navigate around the roof, and that underlayment will help drastically for the guys to stay on the roof. So yes, I love it for two reasons. It helps your roof last longer and it helps your guys to be safer and more efficient on the roof. Kudos! There is not much difference or no difference, to be honest with you, for the installation techniques, regular shingles versus Ultra HDZ shingles, but the biggest difference that we can feel it's the weight. Those shingles, they are about 20-25% heavier than the regular shingle. The average weight for the bundle of shingle roughly like 75-80 pounds. That bundle is 100-105 pounds. And to carry it up and down or maneuver it around with that bundle on the roof, especially when it's non-walkable, that takes some skills that affect the performance and speed of the guys. Because we cannot sacrifice the quality, we still have to keep up with the high quality installation. One of the major factors is the price difference between regular HDZ shingles or roofing system versus Ultra HDZ roofing system. Some of the people will think that it's a huge price difference. In reality, it's very minimal. For the project of this scale, the price difference was roughly like 4% more for the Ultra HDZ versus regular HDZ. But you gain so much more value in longevity for the roof, because the warranty on the algae resistant product is like 30 years now. You can also add upgraded underlayment, like with this roof we did breathable deck armor underlayment, which is one of a kind of the market, and also price difference for that underlayment is very minimal, but the performance for that underlayment that will affect performance of your roof in general is also unmatchable. Project turned out great, everybody happy, then this house is definitely stand out. Homeowner already had couple compliments from the neighbors. See you in the next one. Bye bye.